Online tutoring and coaching. Turn your knowledge into $500 a day. Do you have a skill, a passion, or a subject you know inside out? What if you could turn that knowledge into a legitimate income stream, potentially earning $500 every single day, all from the comfort of your home? Today, I'm going to show you how to do just that through online tutoring and coaching, and how modern AI tools can actually make your prep work faster and easier. For many, the idea of teaching or coaching might seem daunting, or like it requires a formal degree or lots of energy. But with the right approach and a little AI assistance, you can share your expertise, make a real difference, and build a thriving, flexible, home-based business. What is online tutoring and coaching? Simply put, online tutoring means teaching a specific academic subject: math, English, science, history, even a language. Online coaching is broader. It's about guiding someone through a skill, a hobby, or a life challenge. Think learning to play guitar, organizing a budget, understanding basic software, or even getting started with digital art. The beauty is, it's all done remotely, usually through video calls. You connect with clients from anywhere in the world on a schedule that works for you. Why this might be perfect for you? This income stream is incredibly flexible and accessible. If you're on disability, you can structure sessions around your energy levels and comfort. There's no commute, and you control the pace. For students and young adults, this is an amazing way to use your existing knowledge to earn significant money. Did you ace a particular subject? Are you great at organizing? Can you simplify complex ideas? You have marketable skills right now. Plus, it builds your communication and leadership abilities. The demand for personalized online learning is massive and growing. People are always looking for help mastering skills or understanding subjects, and they're willing to pay for expert guidance tailored to their needs. How AI supercharges your prep. The game changer. Now, here's where AI becomes your secret weapon. You might think preparing for sessions takes hours, but AI can drastically cut down that time. You can use tools like ChatGPT or Google Bard to generate lesson outlines. Give me a 60-minute lesson plan for beginner guitar chords. Create practice questions. Generate 10 multiple-choice questions on algebra basics. Simplify complex topics. Explain quantum physics to a high school student in simple terms. Brainstorm coaching exercises. Suggest 5 exercises for someone struggling with time management. Draft email templates. Write an email template for new coaching clients. This doesn't replace your expertise. It empowers you. You still bring the human connection, the real-world experience, and the personalized touch. But AI takes care of the tedious ground. This is how to get started. Turn your brain power into $500 a day. Here's your roadmap. Identify your niche. What are you genuinely good at or passionate about teaching? Be specific. High school algebra tutor, beginner ukulele coach, small business social media strategy advisor. Intro to Google Sheets. Gather your tools. A computer, reliable internet, a webcam, and a good microphone are essential. Free video conferencing tools like Google Meet or Zoom are perfect. Create a simple offering. Don't build a huge course. Start with a single 30-minute introductory session or a basic skills bootcamp of 3 sessions. Practice and refine. Use AI to help you outline your first few sessions. Practice explaining concepts clearly. Find your first clients. Word of mouth. Tell friends, family, local community groups. Social media. Announce your services on Facebook groups, LinkedIn. Online platforms. Explore sites like Chegg Tutors, Schooly for academic tutoring, or even specialized coaching directories. You can also market yourself on Upwork or Fiverr for specific consultation gigs. Set your price. Start at a reasonable hourly rate. Example, $25 to $50 per hour as a beginner, increasing with experience. A few clients at $50 per hour for 2 to 3 hours a day adds up quickly. Tips for success and sustainability. To thrive as an online tutor or coach, be a great listener. Understand your client's needs. Provide value. Always aim to deliver more than they expect. Get testimonials. Positive feedback is gold for attracting new clients. Manage your calendar. Set clear availability to prevent burnout. Keep learning. Stay updated in your niche and with new AI tools. Online tutoring and coaching offer an incredible path to earning $500 a day or more. Leveraging your existing knowledge right from your home. With the power of AI to streamline your preparation, it's more accessible than ever. Whether you're a student, managing a disability, or simply seeking true financial freedom from your couch, are you ready to share your knowledge and start earning? If this video sparked an idea, hit the like button. Subscribe to The Rural Hustle for more legitimate work-from-home strategies, and tell me in the comments, what skill or subject could you teach online right now?